Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video tutorial I will show you how to use freeze panes in Excel in order to freeze rows and columns at the same time. A freeze pane is used to freeze the rows and columns in order to see the data when you are scrolling. It is used to avoid mistakes. Here I will show you how to freeze first rows and columns and then how to freeze multiple rows and columns. Go to View tab. From here you will see freeze pane, click freeze top rows, and the area above the pane will be freeze, and you scrolling and this area will freeze, so you can see easily below the data. And if you want to be unfreeze, then you can unfreeze from here, unfreeze, and now freeze first column. You will see all the data before it will be freeze to the bottom. In this way you can freeze first row and first column and freeze from here. Now how to freeze particular area or range. For example, if you want to freeze multiple rows and columns, that rows and that column too. So that area, if you want to freeze that area or that area, then you need to insert the box before it. So all the data before the line freeze pane are here. Click freeze pane. Now data before this line are freeze, and above it also freeze, and above. Now all the data within this before this line are freeze. You can see that area freeze. And from also from rows, so that area are freeze below this line and after below this line and before this line. And below area and after that area and after that line that are moving area and also this one. So before this line data is freeze. To the bottom. Also above this, below this line, this one also freeze. This way you can freeze multiple rows and columns for particular area or range. If you want to unfreeze, then go to freeze pane and freeze. So in this way you can freeze rows and columns at the same time. If you want to freeze up to top, if you want to freeze up to top rows, then just schedule the two rows. Go to freeze frame. Now the scope goes on free. If you want to freeze color also, then click here. Freeze. First two columns are freeze. Then this way you can freeze top two columns. So in this way you can freeze first two scope rows and columns. First two columns. And if you want them to freeze now. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.